guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. But you guys know, you guys didn't think I was gonna do it, did you? You didn't think I had time. I had to go ahead and do this video right before the new year to get you guys all set, get you guys pretty, just kidding. It's really just to give you a little bit of inspo and to show you guys my New Year's Eve look. I'm ready because this is gonna be a blue year. That's what we're calling on the channel. So I want to see happy blue year in the comments, and I just want to thank you guys for another amazing year here on YouTube. It's only been 2, but you guys have made it really special. A lot's happened, and I really appreciate that. So this is so more to come, y'all. More to come. But if you're ready to see how I get this blue glam look for New Year's Eve for this blue year, keep on watching. I'm tired. Alright, so I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do. I said my dress was gonna be blue in some video. Like, I was thinking blue. This might have been back in October. I don't know. But I got a blue dress. Last minute, I got it this week. So let's do a blue glam look. I don't know. Happy blue year, guys. You guys know what it is. Oh, there's some in the order upstairs. Yeah. Alright, so I think it's only fitting that I go to my Norvina Pro Premium Palette number 2 because it's blue and my dress is blue. Listen. Ooh. See, I don't want it to be like, I need a good transition blue. I want it to be like all blue, but I don't want a smoky eye either. I think I need to find like a light blue somewhere. I only have a light blue in my Wildin palette. Okay, so I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do for a transition. I don't like to use these palettes. I don't want to promote them here on this channel. I don't support them at all, but I bought them and they're expensive, so I'm going to use them. That's it. And I just want to use this for one color and one color only. Oh, this palette's a mess. And it is the I'm Cold shade, which is a pale blue. Oh no, I lied. I want to use blue blood. That's what I'm going to use. So using a large fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to go into that shade. It'll be on the screen, you guys know. But this is the blue I want to start with. This might be an all blue. Ugh, I don't know. But you know what? It's for the culture. The blue, not the palette. Because it is a blue year. So I'm going to be saying happy blue year because all year I feel like it should be my year. I had a rough 2021. Like, it was going good, and then it was like, oh, no girl, humble yourself. And I was like, I heard you. And then it started to get really good. And then, you know. But next year is going to be all good. I promise. Making it happen. I'm saying this from now. While a lot of shitty things did happen to me this year, a lot of good things happened. I launched my brand. We'll be rebranding. That will be a video soon. It is official. I have to absolutely rebrand. I'm talking about it in like a get ready with me because it is important. I don't think I'm going to be putting up my site again right away. I want to make sure I have like a few products for you guys, some new products, some new drops and stuff like that. Because essentially I am and am being bullied by a multi-million-dollar company because they feel like my brand name is too close to theirs. It's not. And that's really what it is. So it is a lot of money that I'm losing because of this. But you know what? It is what it is. I already, I'm not going to stop. So we'll go into details about that. Because the whole way they went about it was just dirty. It was nasty. And it was really just them pushing their weight around. And that's really it. If we're being completely honest with ourselves. But yeah. So I'm just going to use this blue as a transition. Build it up. I think this is enough. I've done other like all blue looks. You guys know I did my rose look. I did a blue look for Instagram. I had one on in my, like, I think it was my first get unready with me. So, you know, blue is my thing. You guys know. I also go by blue. For those who don't know, a nickname of mine for obvious reasons, you know, because my hair is red. Sorry. But people ask me questions all the time, like, oh, are you gonna dye your hair red? And I'm just like, honestly, shut up. My hair's been blue for almost 10 years, so like, why would I? Shut up. But that's it for this color. Make sure that it is blended down. So here's the thing. They're upstairs stomping the yard while I'm filming. And the thing is, I didn't tell them that I was filming because sometimes when I tell them, it doesn't make a fucking difference. Okay? Sometimes when I say I'm filming, it's like, oh, they make more noise. But then when I just do it and they don't know, it's like, kind of quiet. So now, going back into this Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use C3. So the thing is, the dress is a royal blue and has a gold zipper in the back, but I don't really have anything like royal blue except for like a shimmer that I'm gonna put on the lid. I'm gonna make it work, I swear. But I just did not want like a black, like I didn't want to do black, another smoky eye like I did for Valentine's Day. I'm in quite a pickle. Yeah, sorry. I'm animated because I had iced coffee, you guys saw. So I'm going to my Morphe E36. I think I'm going to C3 in this Norvina palette as a crease shade. You know what? Those two, I think they make the blue almost like a royal blue. So I think this was good. And I think I'm gonna stop about right there. You know what? I lied. I'm gonna go all the way, like, do the entire crease. It'll look a little weird, but I'm going to cut the crease with another blue. And I want to incorporate gold somewhere. So I don't know if I'm gonna put gold in the crease, like gold glitter in the crease, or what. But I need to put gold somewhere. Was thinking maybe do like, shoot, because I want blue. We're just gonna keep winging it and we'll see. Because you guys know the magic happens when I go off camera and start acting a damn fool. And I'm kind of just rounding out the outer corner because I don't want it to be winged. So what color are you guys wearing for New Year's Eve? I don't do New Year's resolutions. I just don't, like, it's not, I don't know, it's just something I never do. But you guys know that I do use a planner. I mean, you guys should know for my 2020 favorites. 2021, I don't know. Actually, I got the planner in 2020. So it has to be, I don't know. So look, I don't know anymore. I think it was my 2020 favorites, my planner that I got from Erin Condren. I love that planner. And every week I sit down and plan out the week. And it just helps me organize my content creation, anything for my business, stuff like that. Any personal thing. This is a life planner that I have. So it just really helps me a lot. But at the start of the planner, you do have a goals page. You set goals for each month. So I do go ahead each month and set like 3 goals that I want to accomplish, whether it is for social media, in my life, or whatever the case may be. I set those 3 goals, and on like at the start of every month, I set other goals for like just a little bit more goals, like for that specific month. Not as big as the ones that are on the goals page, but like just little. Listen, I set monthly goals, so that's why I don't really have New Year's resolution, and I never had one because I'm just gonna do it, guys. I don't know how to explain it. Just stop. But if you guys have any New Year's resolutions, let me know. I want to know. I'm a little bit nosy too. Not a little bit country, but definitely a little bit rock and roll. I apologize. I think that's no. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish blending this stuff. Alright, so the blue is blended out, and I don't know why. I really was just like, oh, I don't want another smoky eye, so I don't want to use black. But it's so blue that it's like, I don't know. I do not know. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease and finish up one eye. You guys know how that goes. I am trying to figure out how I'm going to incorporate gold and not just like a highlight. So I really want gold glitter in there, but I want the blue shimmer on the lid, like the blue that's of the dress. So I really don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. You guys will see when I come back. I don't know. So yeah. Okay. So here's what I did. Not really thrilled. Again, a lot more blue than I had in my head, but I really didn't. I should have just did a smoky eye. But as you can see, I did go ahead and in the crease I did put some glitter, some gold, because the dress does have a gold zipper in the back. I think that's enough. But I think I'm also gonna go ahead and add an inner corner highlight, which will be gold some later on. Yeah. So this is how I actually cut the crease. I just used concealer, not another primer. I didn't clean up any excess. The shadows are pretty pigmented, so it's not really needed. The shimmer on the lid, this one. The shimmer on the lid, I didn't put down any glitter primer for that. It is just really, really beautiful. You guys know I love it. It's one of my favorites. So let's do it. So going into my Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette, it'll be on the screen because this palette is, woo, it's been through some bangs. I'm gonna go ahead and add the blue. Even though off camera I did the glitter first, which I probably should have did, but I mean, I don't think it really matters right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that on. Doing the crease like this is just like cutting the crease a little bit for that little accent is really annoying when you're not symmetrical, because you guys know my eyes are two different shapes, so it's gonna look different. And I have to sit there and cut the crease, try to, is that good enough? But it is what it is. It usually just works out. You can see I'm just packing it on and actually swiping, because you can. It's not a pressed glitter or anything. It's just a very, very beautiful shimmer. Juvia's Place formula is like, I love it so much. Like, I wish they would sponsor me. Please. One day. Next year. Watch. And Juvia's Place has a new like balm to take off your makeup. And you guys know I like the Clinique Take the Day Away balm, and it's a little expensive, and Juvia's Place is very affordable, so you guys know I'm switching. So as soon as I try that, I'll do a review right here on the channel. Okay. So that's it for the blue. As you can see, fallout down here. It's fine. Again, just gonna clean up later. Next, for the glitter, I actually used one of the Jelly Pong Pong, I don't know what they're called. Let me just read it. So I used the Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Cosmic Light glitters, the little pots of pigment. It was the one, if you watched the video of my parent unboxing, it was the one that was a mess in there. So I'm just gonna show the box because it was really crazy. Like I opened it and it was glitter everywhere. But using the tip of this small brush, I'm going to go ahead, grab some glitter, and as carefully as I can, I'm gonna place it right in the crease. So the glitter is on this side. It's a little messy. I will not lie to you guys. I won't lie. I'm gonna take a clean brush first, and I'm just gonna swipe away all the glitter from the blue, just to clean that up. I think that's not bad. There is some, I'm gonna raise my brow under here. So using this small, actually it's a liner brush, I'm gonna try to flick away any glitters there. Going back with my Morphe E36, go back to my No Free Up Pro Painting palette. That's a volume. Alright, if I can open it. I'm gonna go into C3, which I use for the crease in the outer corner, and I'm just going to blend that together, and I'm gonna hit the crease to really just clean that up a little bit more. So there you go. So it's not bad. It's fine. Like, I'm not in love with it. I really didn't want it to be so blue, but it is what it is. I already did it. I might have to add some more gold to the other side, but here's how we're looking. I am gonna go ahead off camera, finish it up, come back, show you guys the final look. I'm really just gonna go ahead and add like a gold inner corner. Probably, I don't know if I want to do a pop of color on the waterline. I feel like it's a lot of blue, and a light blue, but I'm not gonna do that. Thought about it, I don't think so. And guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I like how it all came together. I feel like the shimmer from the Masquerade Mini Palette matches the dress completely. I'm not too mad. Do I feel like I still should have used the black? I could have. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not mad at that. The contacts are in the color Pony Gray by FreshEye.us, so I think they look really nice with this look. For a highlight, I actually want to use my Makeup Shayla and Colourpop highlight in Boomin'. It is a loose highlight. I've had this forever and I'm gonna have it forever. I feel like this highlight was so like popping that the gold will show. It would really look nice, and I think it does. As you can see, I did actually go ahead and add that glitter in my inner corner as a highlight. I was gonna use a shimmer, but I felt like it wasn't enough, so I didn't. The lips are really simple, actually. I actually used just a brown lip liner just from the drugstore. I couldn't find my NYX one, so there's that. And my Live Glam liquid lipstick in So Fly. It's a very like brown nude, so it is beautiful. And I topped that with this beautiful kind of rose gold lip gloss. You'll hear more about that too next year. Definitely next year. That is pretty much it. This is my New Year's Eve look. I hope you guys like it. The dress is from Fashion Nova. If you want to see more pictures with this dress, make sure you go ahead and check out my community tab. Pictures will be there during the day, but it's always going to be on Instagram first. So follow me there. Stop playing. And that is it. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me. It'll be the last one of the year, so thank you. I appreciate it in advance. Like it, like it. Go ahead, like it. And I want to wish you guys a happy, healthy, and safe blue year, because that's what they're calling it here on this channel. Please be safe. I know you guys want to party with your friends, but be mindful. Corona is still out there, and it's crazy right now. We got variants everywhere, so just please be safe and be mindful of your own health and other people. So just saying that, because a lot of people are making plans, and I'm just like, ooh, you guys are kind of gross. I'll be home, but you guys know what's coming in a week, so make sure those notification bells are on. You guys have to, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. You guys have to, and that's it. Guys, for the last time for 2021, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It's been an amazing year on this channel, and I could have done it without you guys. Until next time, see you in 2022.